What is going on, guys? Welcome to another training. Today I'm going to talk about how to use TikTok for affiliate marketing. But first, let me show you my results. So this is my affiliate dashboard and I'm going to refresh this page so you can see that these are my actual results. And here you can see my latest payments. For example, here I made $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions with this product, Freedom Accelerator. Now, let me show you my TikTok account because I'm utilizing this account to drive leads to my funnel. So, what I'm doing here is that for example, I'm promoting the 72-hour challenge in Freedom Accelerator. That is a digital product that teaches people how to start an affiliate business from complete scratch. And what I'm doing here is that I'm documenting my own journey by posting these kinds of videos. For example, here I'm recording like the days, day 144, day 145, day 146, and check this out. I'm going to play this one so you can see. So let me click because I don't know why doesn't play it. But this is the thing. So I'm creating all of this content because TikTok is a great way to reach more people. So for me, in this case, I'm reaching people that are interested on building an affiliate marketing business, but more importantly, how we can get to the financial freedom. So that is why I put here documenting my journey, and basically I'm uploading and posting all these videos. And when people go to my bio, so they will read here, and when they click this link, check this out. This is a bit.ly link for the 5-second silent method. So I'm going to click so you can see the page. I'm going to open the page. This is going to open the page of my funnel. So when people see this page, they will read free masterclass, how to make money by creating 5-second silent videos. And when they click this button, I can collect the name, the email, and the phone number. So, and once people opting in their information inside of this page, they will go to the thank you page, or the next step, in which I talk about the product that I'm promoting. So one of the things that it's important to know if you are going to grow a TikTok account is that you are going to be able to put your link here when you can get to 1,000 subscribers. So TikTok is going to allow you to put here your link. Now let me show you another example of products, or let's say affiliate marketing products that people are utilizing TikTok to promote with. So check this out. I'm going to click on, so this is like in Spanish, but it doesn't matter. So I'm going to click on this account, and you can see, so the name of this account is Gus Finds, and he is creating content about these products that, link for the product, link the product. So the link of the product is in the bio. So what he's doing here is that he is creating all of this content about the products he is promoting, and he has here his link. And when people go to this link, people can buy the products from his affiliate links, and that is how he's making commissions. Now let me play one of those videos so maybe we can see it. So here it says Amazon stuffs. So cosas de Amazon. So that means Amazon stuffs. Amazon stuffs that you need. So this is in Spanish. So cosas de Amazon que necesitas. That means Amazon stuffs that you need. So I don't know why my videos are not playing, but it doesn't matter. So this is like an example, and check this out. This person has 2,664 followers, and what he's doing is that he's creating all of this content for all of these products, and that is how he is promoting Amazon products utilizing TikTok, because he's uploading all of these videos in his TikTok account. So TikTok is sharing this video with more people, and when people go to the bio of this person and they click here, they will go to his Amazon affiliate links. So this is like one example, guys, to utilize TikTok to do affiliate marketing. And now I'm going to show you why it's so important to have your own funnel. So instead of driving traffic to your affiliate links, that you can do it that way. But for me, I like to drive traffic to my own funnel because I can collect the email of the prospect. So some people explain that we can like create just content on our TikTok accounts and put our affiliate link in the bio, for example here, and we can do that. But because of the product that I'm promoting, which is a high ticket product, which is Freedom Accelerator, that is why I have put the link of my funnel. Why? Because, so check this out. I'm going to like open, so this one, 5-second silent method, 5-second silent method TikTok. So this is the funnel that I have put in my TikTok account. So which is basically to promote the 72-hour challenge, which is a product that I have been promoting for months. And so when people go to my bio of my TikTok account and click that link, they will get access to this page that I will show it to you. And then once they put their information, they will go to the thank you page. So check this out. And here I have a video, and I have here this below the video these buttons. So step number 1 and step number 2. And basically what I'm doing here is that when people click this video and watch it, they will scroll down, and if they want to get access to the 72-hour challenge, they can click this button. And if they want to get access to my Facebook group, they can click on the blue button, which is step number 2. And then if people buy from that button, so people will go exactly to my affiliate link, which is this one. So here I have all my affiliate links, and they will click this link, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. And if they put their information, I'm going to send another referral to this company. And if that person buys in the future, I can make that commission by promoting this product. And so, but not all the people are going to buy at the first interaction. That is why I have an email sequence. So what is that? So people are going to start receiving emails, are going to start receiving all my emails. So I'm going to click on this email sequence so you can learn how I have set up this system. This is called the back end of my funnel. The front end are these steps, the opt-in page and the thank you page. And here, so this is a great way to make commissions, because some people are going to buy, but not all the people. And that is why it's important to build this nurturing sequence. So check this out. When someone subscribes to this list, Freedom Accelerator, Get Response, which is the software, is going to send these 2 emails. And so people are going to start receiving all these emails. And inside of the emails, they will find my affiliate link for my main core offer, and also they will find affiliate links and emails for my supporting offers, because what I'm doing is that I have a main core offer, which is a high ticket product, and then I start to promote a supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3, because I have collected the email. So that is why it's so important to collect emails, guys, because the more emails I collect, the more money I make, because I can promote multiple affiliate products. That being said, that is why it's important to promote products that you know that are going to help people. So for example, these are all the emails that get response is sending to my email list for all the people who opting in their information. So some of the emails I don't have any links, so there are emails to only give value information to my email list. So and basically that is how I'm making commissions with affiliate marketing, guys. So TikTok is a great traffic source, but if you can combine that traffic source with YouTube, it's going to be more powerful. Why? Because, so check this out, the same videos that I have in my TikTok account. So I'm going to go here and click on my profile. So those same videos, these ones, I have here as well on my YouTube Shorts. So check this out. These are the same videos that I have in my TikTok account. So, and this is a really cool way because we can like record one video less than 1 minute, and we can upload that same video on our TikTok accounts and our YouTube Shorts accounts. So that is basically how I'm reaching more people and making commissions with affiliate marketing, because I'm creating all of this content and people are resonating with my own story. So because I'm telling all the things that I'm learning, I'm telling the things when I struggle, because building an audience in this affiliate marketing space, it takes time. So when I started in 2017, guys, this is really important because it took me 1 year to get my first affiliate commission. And some people want to get results faster, but I'm here to tell you that so this takes time. It takes time to build your own audience. But once you have built an audience that know, like, and trust you, it's going to be more easy to have sales and make commissions with the products that you are promoting. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you can know when I'm uploading new videos or doing these live calls. And talk to you soon, and